thousands of youths from across valley districts of Manipur today gathered at the playground of Social Welfare Club Khongman 4, located at Atom Dairak, and held a youth meet against the inactions of the government in bringing a solution to the ethnic violence triggered by 𝐌𝐀𝐒𝐬 terrorists since May 3rd. The meet began at 9 this morning and to continue till 12 noon. Over 10,000 youths present on the occasion stood in front of the Ibudau Pakhangba Puffle and pledged in unison to protect the integrity of Manipur. Speakers who came to the meet endorsing the youths of Manipur voiced their opinions and perspectives on the occasion. The speakers expresses stark disapproval at the disunity of the civil society organization in the state and the deafening silence of MLAs and student organization on the prevailing crisis. The steps to be taken up by the youth of Manipur were announced during the meet. Placards that read, "We want peace," Article 19(1)(a), Fundamental Rights, Right to Freedom of Speech and Expression, Article 19(1)(b), Fundamental Rights, Freedom to Assemble Peacefully Without Arms, Stop Talking, Show Actions, Let's Unite were displayed during the meet. 5 resolutions were also arrived at during the meet.
Leipaki Thorum Tobaigada, Lepalate and Honabida Iba, CSO Punamaki, Apunbagi, Oiba, Zapsabako Tabak, Atuba, Prazamian, the Sememba, Manipuri integrity, the singer Basi, politically, Kengana State Assembly, me from Atuba Matandakova. Matin Meliba Kumiba, MLA Mantri Singi, Arepa Togan, Atuba Matandala. Political party Topiro, Ereza Ama Oigi Togan, Lobiro, Hibagi Zapsaba period, Lowry, Hibagi Zapsaba period, MLA Mantri Singagi, Loba, Asiba, Asoka, Mayami, Atuba, government Yinshinba, compensate Piba, Yinshinba, Dragadi, Matin Dragadi, Ken Redugi, MLA, Tainaba. AR Open Secretary Matin Pang, have a canary, Atuba, AR, Lotopa, Neutral over Force, Hamanba. I was in a scene from the Manunda, Torka Targadi, now when a Torpa, Torum Tokai, put him up Masama Yazaba. Manipur Bokwi Mana, Uno Pakangana, Pakimana, Ayum, Mana, Manipura.